Drugatok tenki konserve. Since I'm very young, I'm always playing with the small ball, and my mother was tired of me. She always remind me that she remembered that I was so crazy about football. There is many people who would like to be professional, but unfortunately the place is, let's say, limited. And sometimes the talent is not who has more talent who arrive in there. It's also the hard work. And but at the same time, for those young boys who would like to become a football player, they have to think also about the school, because sometimes we want to be a footballer, but we are just focused on this, and we forget about the main things is the school.
And what was your dream as a child?
My dream was to be a professional football player, and I did forget about the school in one period, but of course my mother put me on the right direction, because if you fall on football, you need to do something else. That's why the school is very important. I was not thinking about the aging, honestly. In that moment, we was living the moment, because we was a very strong team. And I was just thinking about my next step with my club, regarding the professional status, to play game by game and to develop as a player. The time passed, and I was not the one who was thinking of that. Honestly, maybe it was a dream, but I was not like to every list or every situation regarding for that. So I didn't have, let's say, some sad moment or something regarding that.
What do you think that did you make a wrong decision or choose, or was everything okay in your career and you have to go in this way, what you did?
If I'm looking today where I am and how I am, all what I did make me to arrive here today. So to be honest and fair, I don't regret nothing. I don't regret nothing. I fall sometimes, but it was for the let's say, for the good step after. And like we say, sometimes when you fall is good, because you realize where you made the mistake, and that's what's happened to me. And I'm thinking about, for example, when I signed for Roma, I was young, and maybe that was the small mistake I did regarding my progression, but with that, the direction made me arrive here today, and I'm very happy. Yes. It was very good, because with Toothpaste I refined the joy of the football. Because after Roma, I went to Belgium. I didn't play, and I stay maybe 1 or 2 months without club, as I broke my contract in Italy. And Újpest called me, and I come without hesitation. I just arrived, and I was very happy to play football again.
What was your first impression about the country in Hungary?
To be honest, at the beginning I didn't know about the football in Hungary, the culture and everything. But since I put my legs in, I totally understand and realize that I will have good story here, and it's happened. When I came back here, it was again to find the rhythm and the joy regarding what I love, the football. Because in England, same, I went there. It was good experience, but I didn't play as well. And I came back here with the help of Kovac Zoltan, the director. When he came, he called me. And I didn't have the perspective, like to stay here 1, 2 or 3 years. I wanted to play football, and as I remember, I was very happy because Videoton at that time Videoton was champion, and a big club like this, you cannot let's say you cannot underestimate and arrive there just. I mean, just to play some football. No, you have to work and to put the club in the highest level as you can. I get some offer, but after the club and the dirigeant, they decide to hand how it's hand. But honestly, even in that moment, I didn't take too much attention because it was good period for me, of course, but also for the club. And I felt that we was going up, and at the end I was satisfied to stay. There was many details, but I spoke with Rossi many times, and I remember he was waiting for the green light for me. But also, when I was in the award on 2018. Mr. Shiny also gave me a little bit noise about this, and it was just now to wait the decision of the FIFA to make the rules adapted for a player like me to change, let's say, to have nationality and to play for other country. I accept immediately, that no doubts about this, but. I think, yeah, the first one, if I remember, yeah, he called me when it was official, and it started like this. I know everybody there, and I was surprised a little bit that the adaptation was really easy, let's say. And that's only, yes, what I'm surprised about, because I was thinking maybe it would be a little bit difficult, but it was not. The guys were fantastic with me, and we can see with the result what we have, that the group is so strong in every domain.
And is it true that the guys call you Lajos?
Yes.
How do you like this?
No, I'm okay with that. Honestly, I'm okay with that. Even in my club, in Vidi, they call me like this. I'm okay. Even my wife and my kids start to call me like this, yeah. Sometimes at home. No, I'm okay with that.
How do you remember for this goal, for the moment when you scored it, and what was your first thought in your mind?
This question is very difficult to answer to this, but I was just very happy, and I knew that there was many people behind us, and it was late, and maybe most of the people was already maybe put it off the TV because of thinking that the game it's over, and we re-put the hopes back. And no, I was very happy for the team and for everybody. He finished all the work what the teams did, because to score like this, because it's not a simple goal. Simple goal we can say, okay, bravo, but this type of goal, it's fantastic, and of course we all know his quality and how he's very important for the team. But at the same time, I'm not surprised, because he has ability to do this. He have to do it. He have to do it. If he don't do it, we will say okay, but if he do it, it's normal. Unfortunately, it's like this because he's top player. No, never, honestly, never. I didn't dream about this, never. But of course, when we was in the fight for the qualification for Europe, we knew in one moment that if we qualify, we will be in the French with French in the same group. So from that moment, I realized that it could happen that to play against them and all of these things. With Wissam Ben Yedder, with who I grew up, we start to feel each other about this, and I'm sure that the more the time will pass and more we will be closer to the game, more we will communicate about this. But of course, it's always friendly.
We know that they have a very strong team, a World Cup winner team. Actually, what do you think? We can surprise them or not?
Football today, it's really fair and unfair sometimes, but it's been always like this. So for us, we don't have nothing to lose. Yeah. We know, okay, if we look at two papers, there is such big difference, but the football is the reality is on the pitch. And we will do all what we can, of course. We will be prepared and we will analyze and organize everything, but we will see.
And what do you think, who is the best French player at the moment, or who is your favorite?
The best player for me in France is Mbappé. They will wear Hungarian jersey, of course. They are very exciting as well about this game, and yeah, they also feel very good here. They feel very good here. They are very happy, and of course they will support Hungary. It's on the way. I'm still learning. It's a bit fight, to be honest, but it's on the way. It's on the way. Now I have to look back at my book, but I know more than a month ago, for example. But I'm still, let's say, on the way to be a little bit good. Drugă tot încă conserve.